It was really good, people. Welcome back. It's back. I mean, I have this 2020 Toyota Highlander. That would be like the fourth generation. So it's from 2020 to nowadays, which we between 2020 and 2023. I don't want to say 2024. It would be too advanced. Shout outs to everybody in the building, subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. You want me to reach more people, share the video, like, you know what I'm saying? Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. I'm going to show you how to do the oil change in this baby. It's a hybrid, okay? 2020 Toyota Highlander hybrid. But if you need some support, you need some help, you see it right here, You see super tense. Click on that, and you got to put the tip on the table in order for me to assist you with the you feel me? I give it up to you, you know what I'm saying? Not like that, pause. I assist you in any concern you have. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up. This is the oil change. You gotta reset the oil life, okay? 2020, 2023, Toyota Highlander hybrid, yeah. So I'm over here. This is how you open the hood. Okay, right under the steering wheel. Okay. This car has 50,000, by the way. See a grill. The latch is gonna be right here in the middle. You're gonna need the kickstand, okay, to hold the hood. Here's the engine oil cap. Okay, it doesn't tell you what type of oil it needs because it tells you right here. Okay, oil dipstick. This is how you measure the oil. Coolant reservoir. Okay, radiator cap, intake, engine oil filter, windshield fluid, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir, motherboard. Alright. Look like gotta remove this cover right here, this baby, 10mm socket. Okay. There's the oil drain plug, 14mm socket. Okay. The oil filter is right here, so I'll show you. We get to that. We get to that. Right? Okay, my bad. I gotta. There's the oil drain plug and oil filter right here. They can do it by hand. No, I'm gonna need a tool. All right, there you go. We're gonna drain this baby. Pause. All right. You see, what you think about that oil? Can I go another 3,000 in the smell? You can do it by hand. Well, I'm gonna open that a little bit so it drains. This one is good to go. I mean, if you want to remove all the oil, you want to get all the oil out of the engine, might as well pour some diesel in the engine. Let it idle for, I don't know, a few minutes. Engine is gonna be hot, oil hot. Yeah, I'm drain most of it like that. You know what I'm saying? Tied it snug with 14mm socket. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get this guy too. There's still some oil left in there. False. You know what I'm saying? Nothing new. We're gonna use the same one. 61394. Like that. Wipe this with a rag. You know the deal. The rag right here. There. And I grab the new oil filter. Lube it. Should be good. You gotta lube the gasket, the oil ring over there, alright? Put it back in there. You're gonna have a few options, okay, on oil filters because of the brands. There's so many brands out there in the market. I could mention five, but you know what I'm saying? Which leads me to tell you this one get now put the cover back and let's pour the new oil. Make sure everything is Gucci. Gucci. Cover back. Let's go. Let's go up. Okay, here where everything is beautiful. To funnel 016. I'm gonna use four quarts first. All right. Get your funnel. A full 4 quarts. Okay. I want to see. Put the engine oil cap back. Just a little bit though. We're gonna start the car idle for a minute. I'm gonna remove the old dipstick. Wipe it. Almost though. Almost there. Almost there. See it right here, right? No, that's good now. It's gonna be 4.2. 4.2 is Gucci now. Right there at the dot. You see it. 4.2, alright? Put the oil cap back. Make sure everything is Gucci. That's it. Alright, then it's only right that I show you how to reset the oil life in this 2020 Toyota Highlander. Alright? You're gonna see that message. We're gonna delete it. Okay. Car is running right now, you know what I'm saying? The fuel right there. Just press the button, the back button. It's gonna take you there. And then from there, you do left, right to go in, press OK. Okay, so here, we're gonna scroll to the right. And then from there, we're gonna scroll down, go to vehicle settings. And then there, press OK, press and hold it. I'll take you there, scroll down, schedule maintenance, press OK, reset data, scroll up, press OK, reset completed. Okay, that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. All right, very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy how to do the oil change and reset the oil life in this 2020, between 2020 and 2023 Toyota Highlander, I want to say. If you have any questions, you need help, put it in the comment box. If you need some help, some assist with anything you're doing, right here or right here, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on that, go through it. You see what's up. Put the tip on the table, and everything is gonna be Gucci from there. I'm right here. Shout outs to everybody in the building from Peru to Brazil. I gotta clack out. Holla at your boys too, bro. Hey, the tools that I'm using for this video right here, right below. There's it says view product. Click on it. You have up to 30 options to choose from. Things that you might need. I'm saying like a knee pad, brake cleaner, rag. I'm gonna do it right here. Holla at your boy. And thank you for the support. All right, see ya. Bye bye.